Welcome, guys. So let's do this Leetcode problem 62 design circular cube. And okay, so basically you don't need this. Okay, you can define my circular cube, initialize the object with the size of the cube to be k. So you can use a list. The self d is empty and the self k is k. And the front, just get a front, right? So you need to check that there is a front, right? So you need to check that the length is greater than 0, then you return the first one, right? So imagine if it's empty, then you need to return -1. Okay. Rear is the same as front. The only difference is that this rear get the final one. So if it's greater than 0, then you take the final one, return -1. And then you can enqueue, right? Enqueue. So in this case, I use list, right? So I can use append as enqueue and the pop 0 for dequeue. Okay. Yeah. So enqueue is that you need to check that there you can put in, right? So if the length is okay, that means that it do not exceed the maximum. Then you can append and return true, right? It says that you need to return true, otherwise it return false. And then you can also dequeue do the same thing, but pop with the first one. Okay. And it's empty, just check it's empty. And it's full, just check whether it's maximum. That's it. So that's it. So you can just very simple, just follow every constraint. Okay, so see you guys next videos.